Staying active and keeping tabs on your health has never been easier, and fitness trackers today do a lot more than just count steps. Whether you're looking to improve sleep, track your workouts, manage stress, or stay motivated throughout the day, these compact wearables can genuinely make a difference. I've put all the product links in the video description so you can explore them yourself. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 and Smartband 10, because they might look similar at first, but there are clear differences. The Smartband 9 features a 1.62-inch AMOLED display that's bright and sharp even in sunlight, with over 150 workout modes and a 233 mAh battery that delivers up to 21 days of use. It's water-resistant to 5 ATM, so swimming and showering are no issue. It runs on HyperOS 1.0, and although it doesn't include built-in GPS or a compass, it pairs easily with your phone for GPS tracking. Heart rate, stress, sleep, and SpO2 monitoring are all standard. Notifications and fitness goals can be configured in the MyFitness app, and for those wondering about the reliability, battery life truly does stretch beyond 2 weeks in typical use. It's an excellent choice if you want simplicity, long battery, and essential health metrics without paying extra for features you might not use. The Smartband 10 steps things up. It has a slightly larger 1.72-inch AMOLED screen, noticeably faster charging, and ships with HyperOS 2.0, offering smoother UI transitions and an upgraded interface overall. The design feels a bit more polished, and this model adds an electronic compass, great for outdoor walking or hiking when you need directional awareness. Heart rate accuracy has been improved for water-based activities, with Xiaomi estimating around 96% accuracy while swimming, which is impressive at this level. Like the Band 9, it doesn't include standalone GPS, but connects to your phone for route tracking. Battery life remains similar, although with that larger display and extra features, heavy users might see a slight drop compared to the Band 9. So, if what you value most is the cleanest interface, directional tracking, and a boost in responsiveness, the Band 10 is the better pick. If you're focused on efficiency and price, the Band 9 still holds its ground. Moving into a different ecosystem, the Fitbit Inspire 3 stands out for people who want more insight into wellness rather than just workouts. It's slim, comfortable, and comes with both small and large bands in the box. One of the key things to know upfront is that GPS is not built in. It piggybacks off your smartphone. But what you get in return is an incredibly well-integrated app experience. It tracks sleep stages with surprising accuracy, monitors heart rate continuously, and provides a daily readiness score that combines your recent activity, HRV, and sleep to suggest whether you should train or recover. It includes features like breathing exercises and stress management tools, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS. The display is sharp and colorful, and while the always-on feature looks great, it does impact battery life. Expect around 10 days in standard use and a few less with all features turned on. Some buyers might be curious about enabling advanced alerts like irregular rhythm notifications. These can be activated in the app under health settings, and they work best when the tracker is worn consistently. The Inspire 3 isn't trying to be a smartwatch. It keeps things minimal, health-focused, and very user-friendly. If you want structured insights about your body paired with a mature, intuitive app, this one delivers. Now, for those who take training more seriously, the Amazfit Helio strap is built with performance tracking at its core. This is not just about counting steps, it's a full-on workout companion designed to support multiple sports, including specialized events like high rocks. It supports 27 training modes, offers real-time heart rate monitoring, and includes metrics like heart rate variability, HRV, strain scores, and recovery status that help you train smarter. For anyone wondering if it works with third-party apps, it absolutely does. It syncs with Strava, Training Peaks, Komoot, and Adidas Running, so if you're already logging your workouts elsewhere, you don't have to change platforms. Battery life is impressive at up to 10 days, even with frequent tracking. The design is more rugged than minimalist, it feels secure during high-impact workouts or long runs, and it's sweat and water-resistant. The display is clean and legible, although not as visually dynamic as AMOLED screens like those on Xiaomi or Fitbit models. As for interpreting the advanced metrics, strain scores reflect how much you've pushed your body on a given day, while HRV trends give insight into recovery. These aren't just flashy numbers, they're practical tools to help avoid overtraining and burnout. There's no subscription required, and the Zepp app it connects to provides enough data visualization to satisfy serious athletes without overwhelming casual users. The Helio strap doesn't try to act like a smartwatch, it focuses purely on performance, and in that role, it absolutely delivers. Whether you're mixing weight training with endurance or preparing for your next competition, it gives you everything you need to monitor and manage your body intelligently. Switching gears to the Huawei Band 10, this model strikes a strong balance between elegance and function. It features an aluminum alloy case that gives it a premium look, yet it's incredibly lightweight and comfortable for 24/7 wear. The display is vibrant and the interface runs smoothly. For those wondering about swimming or showering with it, yes, it's rated 5 ATM, and it includes a water lock mode that prevents accidental touches during water exposure. It tracks heart rate in real time during cardio workouts, and while it doesn't count jump rope reps individually, it does monitor your intensity level and heart rate zones throughout any exercise session. In terms of daily health tracking, the Band 10 does well with accurate step counts, calorie burn estimates, and particularly its AI-powered sleep monitoring, which breaks down sleep cycles and even gives guidance on how to improve rest quality. Battery life lands around 14 days, and syncing to your phone through the Huawei Health app is straightforward. It's ideal for someone who wants a clean, stylish band that handles everyday health and fitness tracking with a bit more finesse than entry-level models. Then there's the Whoop Peak. This one's in a category of its own. It's screenless, subscription-based, and completely focused on performance optimization. All of your data, sleep, recovery, strain, HRV, is analyzed and delivered via the Whoop app, so the tracker itself just collects. The big question for many is, what exactly are you paying for? You're paying for 24/7 advanced metrics that tell you not only how you performed, but how well you recovered and whether you should train today or rest. Placement matters. It should sit about 2 finger widths above your wrist bone for the most reliable readings. There are multiple subscription tiers depending on how deep you want to go with your performance data. For high-level athletes, serious gym goers, or anyone training with intensity multiple times a week, it becomes an invaluable tool for avoiding overtraining and maximizing gains. But if you're just looking for step counts and simple workout logs, this one's overkill. Back in Xiaomi territory, the Smartband 9 Active is perfect for someone who wants a more fitness-oriented design without extra distractions. The 1.47-inch display is slightly smaller, but it's still vivid and easy to read during workouts. Battery life stretches up to 18 days, and the sensor performance remains consistent with the regular Smartband 9, tracking heart rate, stress, sleep, and blood oxygen. One thing people often wonder is whether wrist positioning affects step accuracy. The good news is that Xiaomi's motion detection algorithms are designed to filter out minor wrist shifts, so things like working at a desk or using a standing workstation won't inflate your numbers. This model is great for active users who want the essentials and nothing more. There's no compass or GPS, and it doesn't dive into advanced metrics like HRV trends, but it's reliable, easy to wear, and tuned for everyday movement. Wrapping up with the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, this one feels more like a smartwatch than a basic tracker. You get a 1.6-inch AMOLED display that's crisp and colorful, and over 100 exercise modes to choose from. It tracks sleep in detail, including REM cycles and sleep efficiency, and can be customized with different watch faces depending on your style. Many ask whether it works with non-Samsung phones, and the answer is yes. It pairs easily through the Samsung Wearable app, as long as you grant all the proper notification and background permissions. Battery life is impressive, up to 14 days under normal use, though always-on display and frequent exercise tracking will shorten that slightly. If notifications aren't coming through, it's usually just a permissions toggle in the app settings. Overall, the Fit 3 is smooth, smart, and surprisingly powerful for its category. It's an ideal pick for someone who wants their tracker to feel a little more refined, without stepping into full smartwatch territory. So, which one should you go for? If you want maximum efficiency and battery life with a clean interface, the Xiaomi Smartband 9 is the minimalist's dream. For a bit more sophistication and useful extras like a compass and faster charging, the Smartband 10 is the logical step up. Fitbit Inspire 3 gives you wellness insights and a polished ecosystem that's easy to use and genuinely helpful. If you're a dedicated athlete, the Amazfit Helio strap delivers training-ready stats without locking you into subscriptions. The Huawei Band 10 is all about refined comfort with surprisingly deep health tracking. Whoop Peak is the choice for elite-level monitoring if you're ready to invest in recovery. The Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active strips things down for sporty, lightweight everyday use, and the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 delivers a premium experience without crossing into smartwatch pricing. Every one of these has strengths depending on your priorities. so check out the links in the description to see which fits your needs best. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, practical tech guides. Catch you in the next one!